Nanindigan si Pangulong Aquino na tinutugunan ng pamahalaan ang pagresolba sa smuggling sa bansa. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo kasunod ng pahayag ng Federation of Philippine Industries na umabot umano sa 1.3 trilyon pesos ang nawala sa kaban ng bayan simula 2002 hanggang 2011 dahil sa smuggling. Paliwanag ng Pangulo, kumikilos ang bagong pamunuan ng Bureau of Customs upang matiyak ang maayos na trabaho ng mga kawani nito mula sa pinakamababang pwesto hanggang sa pinakamataas na opisyal. Git pa ng Pangulo, mahalaga na matukoy ang kontribusyon ng bawat isa para mabuting pamamahala.
Tolerated for the longest time na yung personnel mo, basta makapasok lang sa customs, bigla lang bahala na siya kung saan niya a-assign ang sarili niya. So how do you have efficiency there and how do you have accountability? So one of the simple things that they did was to tell everybody, you applied for this position existing in that particular port, you have been ordered to go back to your legitimate assignment. Okay. We have replaced the high officials. You have Sunny Sevilla as head currently of Customs. You have General De Llosa as head of Intelligence. You have so many other people who we actually convinced. Yung mga taong palagay namin talagang beyond reproach, ayaw pumasok sa customs. Kinumbinsi na they will not lose their seniority from other agencies in government. They have the necessary skills to be able to correct the situation